Call me Faila, a Ghanaian. I am here to confirm that the Guinness World Records have given me the green light to embark on the longest cooking marathon.
It's time to welcome her in. We are getting ready to welcome her in. With a shout, come on, come on. The air is packed. The excitement is in. Are you ready?
Being served top notch, and this is what you are going to enjoy in the coming days. Yeah.
Look, there's lots for us to tell you. You can tell I'm losing my voice, but I'm not giving up. We're going to be here to bring you everything that you need to know about the Cook-a-Thon. Faila sets it to put Ghana on the globe.
Definitely putting Ghana on the globe, putting Tamale on the globe, and here she comes.
Alright, so all is set for Failatu Abdulrazak to embark on her cooking marathon, and then this is the first day. Today marks the first day that she's doing everything, and it's so amazing. I mean, looking at the tools, the equipment, everything she's going to use to make the cooking marathon a successful one. She's doing her best, and then yes, you can see everything here. Everything is going on live, and it's so amazing. I think nowadays Ghanaians are coming to understand more about Guinness World Records, where people will challenge themselves to have their names written in international books, and that is so amazing. And then Failatu Abdulrazak is an example of this. After Santo's Singathon, there goes that of Failatu's own. So she's going to cook for 120 hours to break the current record that is held by one man after Hilda Bessie's record, and that is so amazing. So you can see everything for yourself, and then this is happening live at Tamale, and the venue is Modern City Hotel to be precise. So all the ingredients, everything is ready. 120 hours, it's not easy, and then yes, she believes that she can do it, and then yes, to make us proud. So everything is set. You can see there are 1 or 2 people trying to assist her to do what she has to do per the rules. We have people there observing the occasion. We have people who have left their homes to come and observe how Failatu is making her country proud. And I feel like yes, Ghanaians, I think we're taking this thing to the next level. All this while we had that kind of mindset that Ghanaians do not really support their own, but I think after Santo's own, that narrative has been changed, and we are seeing it here as it reflects in that of Failatu's own. And if you know about Failatu, she's already a chef. I'm looking at Hilda Bassie. Hilda Bassie was already a chef in Nigeria, and then her record was then broken by a man by name Alan Fisher. Failatu also trying to break the record. Now, the existing record for the longest cooking marathon is currently held by Alan Fisher. Just like I said, he set the time at 119 hours and 57 minutes, and then plus a few seconds, and then surpassing the previous record held by Nigerian chef Hilda Bassie by 24 hours. This is where Failatu Abdulrazak comes in, and then she aims to surpass these milestones and etch his name in the culinary history books. She wants to embed her name in the Guinness Book of Records as the woman behind the longest cooking marathon, and it's so amazing, which is an alumnus of the University for Development Studies, UDS. And then this event is from January 1st to January 5th 2024 at the Modern City Hotel in Tamale. And then she's not only aiming to set a Guinness record. If all this were, we thought no, it should be limited to some kind of people, but now we see people trying their best to make history. We see young people that are trying to set record that a lot of people are afraid to set, and we see people move out of their comfort zone to challenge their abilities to put themselves on the map. One thing that is so interesting here that I found out is how the cultural trip in Tamale welcomed this amazing young woman. It means she has the support of her local people and the support of the country. And the one significant thing about this occasion is that we are using it as a platform to showcase the good culture that the people of Ghana have. Looking at the dance troupe, looking at the singing, I mean the music, the type of food she's going to cook. I feel like more people should be able to get themselves into this, just like it is for every other competition that the Guinness record holds. You have 5 minutes break. So the individual here is permitted a 5-minute break for every continuous hour of activity, and then these rest breaks can be accumulated if not taken. It means that for every 1 hour you have a break of 5 minutes. So in case you decide to go in for 2 hours, it means you have 10 minutes. They must ensure that they have the necessary ingredients to make each recipe, and their team can procure further food items while the Cookathon is underway based on what is needed to be topped up. And also, as part of the rules, the individual should bear in mind that the items he or she is cooking is consumable. You are cooking food for people to eat. And of course, there should be well installed cameras that will capture every aspect of what you are doing. It will serve as an evidence-based approach in granting you the title. So yes, it's a wonderful experience and she has our support. In fact, she has all that it takes from Ghanaians to break this record. But my name is Mana Krava. Thank you for watching this video. Do me a favor by subscribing to the channel, like the video, and then share.
Special dance performed for foreigner.